I gotta show them this campsite. Do you approve of this spot? Lacey's in charge of Chase this leg of the trip. Why do you have to do everything for Chase? All right, we're in the studio. You'll be just fine. Lacey May, what state are we in?
Florida.
So we just arrived in Florida. Come through in these retirement homes. Like, this neighborhood is huge. Like, a couple of tennis courts, like multiple pools. I think like 3 pools. Chase, how you feel, buddy? Chase is stretching his legs. Mind blown when I back this thing up into this spot. You won't believe this view when I show you. Lots of space on this side. Palm trees. It's like 80 degrees outside right now. Getting everything unpacked so that we can set it up right here. What do you think, man? Good? Do you approve of this spot? Not a bad place to do school and live the next couple days, huh? I love the ropes. Right here is where I can do some stretches. I've been working on stretching because driving the RV is giving me stiff neck and not moving as much. So right here is for the morning yoga. We got a table here so the kids can do some school.
Dad, can you get my bike down?
Can I get your bike down?
So I can ride my bike with Chase.
Let's do it. You're gonna ride your bike with him around the neighborhood?
Yeah, that's what I do.
Lacey's in charge of Chase this leg of the trip. Why do you have to do everything for Chase?
Because if I do it for a year, then I get my own dog.
No. See, you've already forgotten what the deal was. The deal is, if you take care of Chase without being asked, with a good attitude, then we'll talk about getting another dog. Before that, it's like 0 chance of another dog. But if you do a good job of taking care of Chase, then we'll talk about potentially a second dog. So far, I think you're doing a really good job with it.
Yeah.
Yo, look at this pool right here. What's up, boss? It goes 3 feet to 8 feet over there. Got these little huts that you can sit at, and then a little dock you can walk all the way out to. Coming to say hi. One of the reasons we stopped in Melbourne, Florida is that I have a very near and dear friend who lives here and does recording. He has a band with his brother, and they're amazing. Always have loved their music, so I'm about to go record some music with him. All right, we're in the studio, getting ready to do some vocals for a new song with my man, Trey.
What up?
Trey is in a band I love. I love the Icarus account. You need to check them out. They got a new album coming out. What's the album called?
The Fight?
The Fight. It's coming out on Friday, right? So,
2 days.
Man, I've been listening to these guys since 2009. Amazing music. Check it out. Amazon, Spotify. You can find it. We're going to work on a new song today for me, and I'm excited to share it with you.
I remember how the summers felt before.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and follow the page. You can also hit those 3 buttons there and click follow, then see first so you never miss one of our videos.